Hello my sweets, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you consider subscribing. I'm excited to tell you that I've partnered with Simply Earth, and I'll be sharing with you what comes in the November recipe box. Simply Earth was created to make having a natural home fun and easy at honest prices. Their promise is to provide 100% pure oils, meaning no artificial fragrances or fillers. Every batch is ethically sourced from small farms, and every batch is tested for purity and composition. Simply Earth also donates 13% of all profits to organizations that fight against human trafficking. To learn more about Simply Earth, head over to their website. It's linked in the description box below. Now, let's take a look at what comes in the November subscription box. When your first subscription box arrives, it will include this bonus box that contains all the goodies you will need for the next 6 months. The bonus box includes 2 ounces of beeswax, 12 ounces of solid coconut oil, 4 ounces of liquid coconut oil, 4 ounces of liquid almond oil, 6 roll-ons, and 6 5mm bottles. Each month you'll receive a different set of oils and 6 easy-to-follow recipes. The theme for the November recipe box is Light It Up. This box includes nutmeg essential oil, love essential oil blend, lime and pine essential oil. It also contains a 6 count of dried flowers, 2 cotton wicks, 3 ounces of soy wax, labels, and 6 recipe cards that also contain information on the backs of them, including the organization we are supporting this month. The first recipe I'll be making is the love candle. I'll need soy wax, beeswax, solid coconut oil, the love essential oil blend, a cotton candle wick, also a narrow jar, approximately 1 to 2 inches in diameter works well, or a mold. This calls to use a double boiler, but I don't own one, so I'm using a microwavable dish. I also have a half a teaspoon measure and a silicone spatula. After measuring out the ingredients, I heated them up in the microwave at 30-second intervals until the mixture was melted. Next, I added 30 drops of the Love Essential Oil blend and mixed well. Then I secured the wick in the bottom of the jar and poured in the wax. The jar I used was a little larger than what was called for, so I made another half batch to fill the jar the rest of the way and set it aside to cool. The Love Bath Melts is a super simple recipe with just 2 ingredients. It calls for 1/4 cup of solid coconut oil melted and 10 drops of the Love Essential Oil blend. After mixing, pour the mixture into an ice cube tray or a mold, as I am using here, and place in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours. To use, take a bath melt out of the freezer and add to the bath. The bath melt will melt in the tub for an easy aromatic bath that's pre-diluted to be safe in the tub. Be sure to store these in the freezer. These bath melts and candles smell absolutely divine. I encourage you to give them a try. If you'd like a monthly subscription to Simply Earth, click on the link in the description box below and use my code SWEETURBANROSEFREE. If you're our first-time subscriber, you'll receive a $40 gift card to use on a future purchase. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave me a comment below. If you'd like to see more, subscribe and choose all notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, love, inspire, create. See you next time.